HVAC people!
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a magnetic strap for your smart meter.
You're going to need a smart meter, Gorilla Glue, nylon strap, one magnet, one glove. The glove is going to protect the magnet from debris and a bunch of junk that you do not want on your magnet.
Some scissors, clamps, a needle and thread. You should be able to get all of this under $10.
Have to make sure the magnet you choose fit inside the finger of the glove. Cut your nylon rope as long as you need it. Put Gorilla Glue on both sides of the magnet. Make sure you stick the nylon rope and the magnet all the way down to the tip of the finger of the glove. Gorilla Glue will harden. Go ahead and clamp it. Clamp it for about an hour or two. Put 2 cuts on the top of the casing. We'll loop it through, and we're going to put Gorilla Glue on the nylon, and we're going to clamp it again for about an hour or two. This is optional. If you want to go ahead and get needle and threads for extra strength, do it before the Gorilla Glue get too hard. And cut or burn your loose threads. Alright, so it should fit perfect. If you feel this was helpful, and you can use this, and y'all like these style videos, the type videos, y'all like my content, please support your boy. Like, share with somebody. Let's get more people into HVAC. All right, well, there you have it. That's an easy scrap you can make. The all new smart scrap. It's free if you make it. If you want me to make you one, it'll be $99.99.